Hi everyone, now I will tell you quickly and in detail how to change system language on Windows 10. First, we need to open the Start menu in the bottom left corner. Then go to Settings. Then go to Time and Language. In the left menu, go to the Language section. Click on the button, Add a language, and choose the language you need. I will change the language to German, for example. Select, click on the button. Next. Choose the settings you need, but I recommend you to leave everything as it is. You can check the box to set as my Windows display language, so that the language will immediately change to the selected one. Finally, click on the Install button. You will need to restart your computer. If the language does not change to the desired language, you can select it in this menu. Now you know how to change system language on Windows 10. Do not forget to put likes and subscribe to the channel.